Hey guys, it's Sammy Robinson and I'm about to walk onto set right now. We're shooting for Meccaland. Just had my hair and makeup done. This is the look. Do you like it? Do you like it? Gone for that graphic electric blue liner and classic big curls. This is the outfit. Keen.
Hey guys, it's Shani and I'm on set today with MECCA and I love this makeup look so much, especially the eyes. It's so glittery. It's amazing. So we're just getting ready for Meccaland, doing some photo shoots. I'm so excited. Hey guys, it's Bella here shooting with MECCA for Meccaland. This is my look. I'm obsessed with it. I love the hair and how cool are these nails?
We're at the shoot. Here's the girls. We're doing our group shots now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some exciting things.
And that's a wrap. I'll see you guys at Meccaland.